global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news. Stay tuned.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happiness today. Southeast is in the radar right now when it comes to the issue of insecurity. Southeast is taking a different dimension. Don't forget that the news had it that the president of Nigeria, President Muhammadu Buhari, will be visiting Ebonyi State, and it's likely gonna be on the 5th and 6th of May. Well, as we speak, some hours ago, the likes of Chinasa, Nworu, one of the strong, staunch members of Ipob stroke DOS member, had given strong information order that because President Muhammadu Buhari may likely be visiting Southeast Ebonyi in particular, they felt that he has not done anything spectacular, and hence there should be a protest in a form of civil defense of sitting at home outside the regular Monday sit at home, but this one is specifically for the person of the president, President Muhammadu Buhari, and this is not just in Ebonyi State. According to him, they wanted it to be observed or cut across southeastern zone. We're going to see pictures for the platform policy. We may not be able to carry the video, but pictures of what transpired in Ariaria, Abia State. Ariaria market is a major market in Southeast that is known for its commercial power. It's a commercial nerve center for Southeast. Well, this is what happened some hours ago. Well, according to the news, unknown gunmen, that's UGM, have reportedly declared sit-at-home on May 5th and 6th in the Southeast region over the planned two-day visit of President Muhammadu Buhari to Ebonyi State. Well, recall has it that Governor David Umahi had in a statement on Tuesday said Buhari would be in the state for 2 days, which is Thursday and Friday. Well, according to the news, a military source said that UGM, who took over some towns in Abia, Imo, and Anambra State on Wednesday evening, threatened to deal with anyone caught disobeying the order. UGM were seen shooting in some street of Aba in Abia State and in Imo State, and Anambra announcing to residents that there will be sit-at-home on Thursday and Friday when President Muhammadu Buhari is to visit Ebonyi State, and that they must observe it throughout the Southeast, the source said. The UGM called on President Muhammadu Buhari to immediately release the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, that's Nnamdi Kanu, from detention. This has sparked a lot of reaction, but a lot of people are talking about. Meanwhile, see what the president has got to say concerning the issue of what happened to the military people that was brought down by UGM. Well, Nigerian President Muhammadu Buhari has reacted to the brutal bringing down of military couple in Imo State by suspected UGM. Below is a statement made available on behalf of the government on Wednesday evening, signed by his media aide Garba Shehu, and I quote the message. He said, "On behalf of the government and the entire nation, President Muhammadu Buhari expresses deep condolences to the Nigerian Army and the families of Master Warrant Officer Audu Linus and his partner, Private Gloria Matthew, who were brought down after being brought by this terrorist group, the Indigenous People of Biafra IPOB, on Saturday, as confirmed by the Nigerian Army. The corpses were inhumanly treated and gleefully posted on social media platforms. The president joins fellow Nigerians and citizens in expressing a deep sense of shock, and condemned the barbarism of the perpetrators of this unfortunate incident. And he said it's alien to all our cultures and civilization. President Buhari calls on all leaders, community, regional and national to speak with one voice to show that the entire country is one against this cruel and barbaric act of violence. This is unacceptable. Our thoughts and prayers are with the families of the sad and tragic incidents, said the president. The president has directed the military authorities and other security agencies to do their ultimate best to do their utmost in apprehending perpetrators of these barbaric acts and bring them to justice. And this is what happened some many days ago, where UGM, did quite a lot on couple. But right now, what is going on is the fact that there may likely be sit at home going on today and tomorrow cut across Southeast over the fact that UGM have decided that because of the visitation of the president, then they must observe it to show their disgruntled, to show that they are not happy with what is happening to Nnamdi Kanu, and of course to their region generally. Now people have been talking about it. Don't forget that if you watch the video, you will see youth hailing them, shouting UGM, hey, UGM, and I'm wondering, it's okay, but let's be careful, because this thing that you're petting, let's hope it does not escalate to something that will bring tears and sorrow in the nearest future. Hear what people are saying. They say that's how bandits and terrorists are held by locals too. This person here is saying Southeast is gone, just like Northeast. Nigeria, my country. I reject that prayer. No region is gone. Yes, we're going through trial and temptations. These two shall pass. In one voice, with one accord, we will pray concerning the nation, and this temptation will pass. But we all hands need to be on deck to make this happen. This one here is saying, the people are wise. Hail them in public and leave. Only fools will mock madmen with gun in public. This person here said, only a fool will argue with a man who holds an instrument. It's even more dangerous when the man is masked. God Almighty, take control. I say amen to that. This person here is saying ESN was hailed, not some UGM. ESN protected the East from Fulani herdsmen who have been left to wander and bring down our people. The people are with ESN while the government are with the UGM. It is that simple. The East will not allow you guys to criminalize the ESN. If we do so, we'll be left bare for your vandals, Tom and Dick and Harry, to do and plunder our people. This will not happen. Okay, this one here is saying, my brothers, sisters, and these marksmen get parents, so family, child. Now, wow. This one here is saying, when army bring down these ones now, they will say now innocent people they bring down. Buhari is bringing down Igbos, blah blah blah. Ekpa boys. Igbos now live in fear, prisoners in their region. Nowhere is safe to an Igbo man right now. The warlords are about to partition and control East, while the bingos keep cheering them. Finally, one day them go get sense, maybe generations to come. Lots of people are talking. This person here is saying, if they are UGM, why are people hailing them? They should be running for their lives. All right, but let's look at this critically. Sorry, we won't be able to give you the video, but you just see some of the pictures. One thing is certain, if you watch the video like I did, they didn't come against the people. The people were just watching them. They didn't touch the people. Even if you see the pictures, you agree with me. They were just walking freely, saying, please observe it at home and all that and all that. But Nigerians are wondering, if this continues already, let's tell ourselves the truth. Anarchy is already in Southeast. Yeah, unfortunately, we don't like the truth. Except there's a stakeholders meeting and we begin to look into this matter as well. Let's put in our comment section what's your take on this, please.